It is a formal night. We're going to check out the celebrity dancers. We had a lovely dinner. I had pasta, and Ryan had just for the halibut, and it was very good. And we got wine from Santorini, and we looked very pretty. Let's see Ryan. Ryan looks good. Oh, you should put your jacket on. Yes. Put it on. Oh, wait, do that again.
Okay.
Nice.
I can work for JCPenney.
I'm gonna take a picture of that later.
Was that the first one that came?
That's how classy you are.
That's how classy I am. That's like my peak.
Yes. All right. And there's Mr. Ryan Garvin.
Escorted by what? I'm supposed to be escorted.
Look how good we look.
People are walking by. They're amazing.
Kiss me. Bye.